Hey guys, welcome to my channel Bong Driver once again with a brand new video. And in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can change a flat tire like this of your car Tata Nano at your own. So don't skip the video, please watch till the end, because I'm gonna tell you to do's and not to do's during this whole procedure. So let's start the video on my count. 3, 2, 1, let's do it. Welcome friends to my channel Bong Driver. So first of all, I have to take out all the necessary tools from my car to do this job. Right now I'm taking out the warning triangle, which you can find in the boot area of Tata Nano. Next I have to take out the jack rod. And I need the jack of this car, which you can find under the passenger seat. Next I have to open the bonnet, because the spare wheel of Tata Nano is in the bonnet. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, that's right guys, that's the spare wheel, or you can call it stepney tire. You have to open that screw and take out the stepney like this. Okay, now I have to place this sack under the car to protect my toe tile. If you are on a road, then you may not need this. Instead of sack, you can use your floor mat. Next you have to set this warning triangle, which is very necessary if you are on highway to protect you and your car. You have to set this warning triangle behind your car at a distance 15 to 20 feet like this. Now watch very carefully, because I'm gonna show you the exact jack point of the car Tata Nano. This is the rear wheel jack point of Tata Nano. You have to place the jack always between these two protruding ends, and this is the front wheel jack point of Tata Nano. Next you have to place a brick exact opposite diagonal to this flat tire, just like this, and you have to place this brick according the slope of the land to protect your car from sliding. Next you have to take out the jack rod from the cover and place the jack exactly in the jack point of the rear wheel, just like this. Before doing the job, just make sure your car is on first gear and also the parking brake is fully engaged. Next you have to loose these 3 nuts using the jack rod, just like this. Don't open it fully, just loose it a little bit, just like this. Then pull up your car jack by using your hand and fit it exactly in the jack point, just like this. So warning guys, never ever go under the car during this whole procedure. It's very risky, and also take out all the passengers before doing this job from your car. Okay, next take your jack rod and rotate your jack rod clockwise to pull your car like this. Done. Make sure there is enough space because you have to replace this flat tire with the stepney. Finally lose all 3 nuts and take these out. Remove the wheel and replace it with the spare wheel. Watch very carefully, there is a tiny hole. You have to fit this tiny hole with this nut properly first, then place the wheel like this and attach the wheel cover with the wheel properly like this. Okay, next place the wheel nuts again one by one, just like this. Tight all 3 wheel nuts using the jack rod, rotating clockwise. Next, bring the car down again using the car jack rod and remove the jack from the car like this. Finally you have to tight all 3 nuts by applying your maximum pressure with the car jack rod like this. So that's it. Finally we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you really learned something new from this video, then don't forget to like this video. Also please subscribe my channel and press the bell notification to get all the notifications whenever I upload a new video like this. And guys, please stay safe, follow all the COVID norms, and we are gonna meet in my next video. Till then, take care.